Good Emil Mohagat, thank you. Thank you to Bob Greenblatt and Belle Silverman of Showtime. Thank you to a wonderful crew, a wonderful cast. Joan Bergen for my costumes, they were fantastic. Gabriel O'Brien, my dresser, who was magnificent. Michael Hurst for writing a beautiful piece. Tom Conroy, Seamus McInerney, wonderful work on the Tudors. But really, the number one man is Morgan O'Sullivan. It is very, very nice to have somebody like Morgan to be able to go to when you're shooting something. And I think he's a vital part of the Irish film and television industry. And it was my honor to work with him. Thank you very, very much. Good night.